Hi, it's Brandy, and today I'm going to be unboxing my Witch's Moon box. This is the mailer that it comes in, per usual, and I'm really excited. I got mine, I think, a day late, because I've been seeing a lot of people that I follow doing their reviews, and I haven't watched them yet, because I like to be surprised, but I will watch them after this. Because I kind of like to see what the variation is. And I especially like to see what the other oracle, the other oracles people get, oracle cards people get. So let's check it out. Ooh. Oops. My ideal clients find me and work with me with ease. That's cool. The Wisdom Thoth, Wisdom and Prosperity. I got some stuff from this box about Thoth during the Scribe box, which was November. You can check that out on my channel if you want. Mainly in oil, but it was very appropriate because Thoth is a scribe. But this is pretty cool. I love these Book of Shadow art pages. I collect them. Egyptian magic. I'm really psyched about this. Egyptian mythology was my favorite when I was a kid. I can smell this box. This box is very fragrant. Ooh, we got less dilly balls this time. Awesome. I can't read it. It starts with a B. I'll read it afterwards. It looks like bay leaves to me. You guys can see a little bit inside. Oh, an Ankh. You guys can't see it yet, but I can see that it is an Ankh, and I am psyched. Beautiful. Look at that. Love it. Oops, sorry. Sorry, Ankh. This is... Ooh, I can't read this either. I absolutely love this box. You guys know that. I've done a lot of reviews on it. But I can't read the handwriting very well. So I'll have to tell you what it is. If I had to guess, I would say it was cloves. That's what it looks like. And what it smells like. Cloves are amazing. I love them. Machine, I think this one says. This one also smells very spicy and fragrant. I don't know. I think it says in bulk, but I'm not sure. I will have to read it. Ooh, and it smells like delicious, delicious flowers and fruits. I'll have to see what the scent of that is. Ooh. I've got a crystal in here. Ladies and gents, and humans and friends, and puppies if you're watching. Ooh. Oh. Ooh. Beautiful. I don't know what it is. It's like a matte almost. No, it's got some gloss. But it's like opaque green. But it reminds me of like the color of malachite. But I don't think it's a jade. Here's my oil. I'm going to save this. Y'all know that. I got to save my little dilly bobs. What's the oil this month? Renewed? I don't know. I'm striking out here, guys. I'm so sorry. It's got something floating in it. I don't know if you can see with my light. There's a couple leaves in there. Let me smell this. Ooh, spicy. It's definitely cloves in this. Here's my candle. I hate ruining it. And that did not help as much as I want. Oh, beautiful. Lady of Sycamore, I think is what it says. It smells divine. Their beeswax candles are just magnificent. Magnificently scented. Actually, I'm not going to wrap it so you guys can see it. Okay. Oop, here's my incense. Yes. Smells heavenly. And I think it's a book. The last time I thought it was a book, it was inks. Let's see. And you guys know I love brown paper packages wrapped up in twine. I just absolutely love it. Let's see what wonderful treasure has found me. Oh my goodness. Ooh, wow, Egyptian prosperity magic. So cool. I do not have this book. I've never even heard of this book, but it's pretty interesting. Discover the Egyptian path to wealth. Super awesome. Love that. Oops, sorry, book. Okay, let me just go through this really quick. As true seekers of knowledge and wisdom, we turn to the limitless depths of Egyptian magic. We are true practitioners of all things related to magic and witchcraft. In this sought-after collection, we focus on our deep yearning to understand the wisdom passed down from the ancients. These magical concepts and tools are very sacred to us and are held close to the thriving curiosity that feeds our soul. As we step back from our daily tasks, we step into an older, more sophisticated world so that we may truly understand the magic that flows through every movement and gesture we make. There's a lot more, but I don't ever read it all to you guys because I kind of feel like I don't want to go into that much detail. It would be a lot. There we go. So, limited edition Egyptian prosperity magic book. Awesome. Inscribed resin ankh plaque. It's hand cast using real crushed stone bonded with high quality designer resin. Each piece has been individually hand painted by a group of practiced artisans. This very sacred symbol has been used in many traditions and has been reversed as the most powerful tool or key in ancient and has been revered, has been revered as the most powerful tool or key in ancient Egypt, connecting the male Osiris and the female Isis. Symbols, the Ankh, or is it Isis? I don't know. The Ankh cross produces the union of heaven and earth as well as life and death. Beautiful. Hand-rolled Lady of Sycamore spell candle. Hey, I got that one right. Okay. So this is for Hathor, the Lady of Sycamore. Hathor took on many forms in Egyptian texts and was embodied by different forms of symbols depending on the location in Egypt. Even the Greeks connected Hathor with their Aphrodite. As you sit with this flame, focus on the process of renewal and resurrection. Renet Nutit. Magical oil. So I was never going to guess this one. I'm sorry. She's a goddess. That's the name of a goddess. It's for protection, prosperity, abundance, and good fortune. The Lady of Fertile Fields. I'm trying to see what... It's definitely lemongrass, clove, and bay leaf. And includes bay leaf, allspice, and lemon verbena as well. And is Lemurian quartz. And it was Invoke. Invoke Sacred Salt. That's going to be February 1st. Let's see what's in it. It has jasmine, violet, elderflower, and jasmine buds. It was very flowery. Rough Sumatran green jade. Hey, so malachite wasn't far off. This truly beneficial stone has been highly esteemed throughout recorded history as the strengthener of life and protector of death. Commonly connected to abundance and prosperity, jades have been used in many well-being meditations to bring a sense of calm and confidence in financial situations. Cool. Egyptian offering incense, cinnamon and clove. Yum. Oh, okay. As explained in the Egyptian prosperity magic, these magical herbs were used in potions and spells for the following outcome. So this one is Miket herb, also known as clove, attraction, banishment, blessing, communication, creativity, dispelling negativity, ending inspiration, legal matters, magic power, overcoming obstacles, peace, power, protection, purification, reconciliation, release, reversing, success, and wishes. Basheen bark. Allspice. I knew I recognized these. I hope you could see this. because I was putting my hand a little bit too close to me to be in screen. This is bai bark, also known as bay leaf. So I guess the herbs are right. I just wasn't reading this correctly. Ooh, and then this is from the Money Magic Manifestation cards. Cool. This card has the message that was meant for you. Of course, there's parchment paper, which is underneath here. I'll let you guys look at that. And the Thoth Book of Shadows artwork. So what else is there to say? You guys know I love Witch's Moon. I'm a diehard fan. I get one every month. I love Egyptian mythology. I will totally be looking into this book and learning some more information. I absolutely love the Oracle. My ideal clients find me and work with me with ease. It works on so many levels because I want to connect with you, my friends here on YouTube, but also I'm a nurse and I need to connect with my patients to give them the best care. And, you know, I also have a couple other side hustles that I'm always doing, and I like to connect with people. That's kind of my thing. So this is a really nice omen for me, and I hope you guys get plenty of good omens for yourself as well in this year. If you guys have any comments, please let me know what you think of this box. Let me know what you think of this video. Let me know what you think in general in the comment section. Of course, all the information will be in the description per the usual, and please like. If you haven't already, please subscribe, and I will see you very soon. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.